Hey guys, it's Elisa from Elisa Beth Photography and Photobox Designs, and I'm here today to share with you my new light. Let's go. When you get the box, make sure you look at it because it has all kinds of QR codes on it, which are very, very helpful. Like it has YouTube, it has Facebook, and one of the most important QR codes on there is the app. The SIRUI T60 tube light comes with its own carrying case, a charging cord, and a tabletop tripod. And it also comes with its own remote control. The remote control attaches very easily with a magnet. Take it on, take it off. Very compact and super cool. The light expands. The T60 is a great compact light that's easy to take on the go with you. You can use it for a ton of different shooting scenarios like light painting, portrait shooting, video, and even content creators can use it instead of a ring light. When I saw this light, the first thing that I thought of was light painting. That is something that I'm very interested in trying with it because I think that this could be something pretty excellent to use, especially since it has all different color features. So it is something that I will probably make some future videos about. I also wanted to try it inside the photo box and see how it works and maybe changing up the colors of the box. I'm going to experiment with it a little bit later on. The T60 has a wide color range temperature of 2500 Kelvin to 8000 Kelvin, which allows you to smoothly change the temperature from warm to cool. One of my very favorite features of this particular light is the app. The app that comes with this light is phenomenal. So you're going to download the app. The app looks like this. It's called SIRUI Light. And the nice feature about the app is that the app can control one light or both of your lights at the same exact time if you happen to have multiples. Also, there's a slider. You can slide it up and down the kelvins. You can see going from warmer to cooler. You can also change the brightness to super bright, all with a slider. Or it just gives you an easy shot of 25% light, 50% light, 100% light. Very simple, very easy. But one of the other cool features is how you can change up the color right here from your app, which I love. I think this is one of my most, I'm a techie, aren't we all techies? We all like lighting, we all like photography. I love this. Okay, so there's a tone button, press tone. Check it out, a whole color wheel. Oh, this is exciting. I can change the hue of the color, just pressing and pulling a hue. I could do the saturation of the color. I could just press, I just pushed a little button for red, turn my light red, change the hue, change the brightness. I've got hot pink, got some hot pink, I've got orange, yellow, purple. Well, that's cool. So I'm on this color picker and I'm going to, it gives you a little, it opens up on my phone, it opens up a screen and I'm just gonna go around my room and pick a color. So I have plants in front of me, the plants are green, the color picker is picking green. I'm gonna say pick, and now I've turned my light green. That's cool. All right, I love that. I think that's just really awesome. Right? And then there's this other feature where you have all these different like lighting cycles that you can try out. So we've got an RGB cycle, which means it's just going to run through red, green, blue, red, green, blue, red, green, blue. You can change up the rate. So I guess I can make this a little bit faster. You can go through the cycle faster, and you can do the brightness. It has this flash feature. Looks like a flash. You got a disco bulb, lightning, a broken bulb. So I would think for video people out there, using this is really cool because you can just create all kinds of really cool effects with your lighting. You've got candle mode, the fire, fireworks. Then you have police car. So if I put this aside and I was if I was creating a movie or a TikTok, and I had this on, it has that feeling like I have a police car chasing me. This is fire truck. Didn't realize that they had different lighting, but I guess they do. This is really one of the easiest to use, extremely versatile lighting. I'm going to bring it places with me, use it for a multitude of features. It's a solid piece. It feels good in my hand. It lights up beautifully. I think that this is a clear winner, and I highly recommend this SIRUI lighting. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can hit me up in the comments, and please don't forget to like this channel and like this video.